Hi everyone, this video is about installation of puddle lights on Audi SQ5. I ordered these Audi puddle lights from Etsy and I've received them today. So they came all the way from Spain. So these are two different designs. So 17 is a code for the Audi ring lights and 39 is for Audi Sport. So let me show you my car. Currently, if I open the door, it has this light, so it is very fade or you cannot see much with this one. So this is the default OEM light that comes with Audi on the doors. I have opened all four doors now and you can see these are some fade OEM lights that come with Audi. Now I'm going to install the new ones, so stay tuned. To take out the original OEM light, you need this straight screwdriver. So I'll show you how we can pull the original light out now. I'm taking out the light now. I have to use this straight head onto this side, push a little inside and take it out. So it comes out easily. Then we have to push this inside and pull it out. You don't have to release this one unless you know that it does not go all the way inside. So this one is safe. In some Audi doors it goes all the way in. I'm opening this box now. So taking out this 17 first. This is what I have. So I am getting this light which has a head with the Audi ring lights. So it is kind of a projector and it is a separate piece that goes inside. So that's how this is same for both the OEM light and the new light. The head is a little different. It has a projector over here and from back side it's a different shade, but it's not the original Audi one. We can buy the original Audi ones, but those come with only one light, or those are the fade ones. This one is a clear light with the projector. Now I'm going to install this light. Voila! This is how I can see my rings, and look how beautiful it is. I'm going to push this inside now. Now the light is installed and let's see how it looks like. And it's looking beautiful. Now let's look at this without the light. And that's how it looks in the dark. So projection lights are much better than the normal OEM lights. So that's why I selected this one. With this I will install the other 3 doors and I'll show you. I ordered a different one for the rear door. Look how beautiful it looks in the dark. And this is the other side. So guys, let me know about this combination of Audi rings and Audi Sport. Hopefully you like this combination, and I'll be coming up with more videos like this, so stay tuned. Qasim's Garage signing off.